Bagong araw, bagong pagkakataon para paglingkuran ng Diyos at maging pagpapala sa iba. Before anything else, word muna. We serve better when our hearts are full. Open na po kami, pero hindi lang ito tindahan. It's a place of hope. Bawat customer ay may kwento, at minsan ang kailangan lang nila ay isang libro that will speak to their hearts. Hindi man kita ng lahat, bawat galaw dito ay may purpose. Lahat ng padala may kasamang panalangin. Uy! Break na! Mini kwentuhan, pero maraming food. Sometimes they come for a book, pero minsan natatagpuan nila ay comfort, hope, at prayer. Pagod? Yes! Fulfilled? Super! Kasi alam namin, paglingkuran namin si Lord today! At the end of the day, hindi lang kami nagtitinda ng libro. We're planting seeds of faith. More than a bookstore, this is a mission.